Hello everyone, today I have the August 2020 Allure Beauty Box. As always, it has the little pamphlet. Now, starting on October, they're going to be raising the price to $23, but I believe you'll get at least 3 full-size items, and there will be 6 items in total in the box, I believe. And if you sign up now for a year, you'll be locked into the $15 at least for 1 full year. I don't know if you continue it, it'll be that same amount. But anyways, this is what it looks like. First thing I'm pulling out is this Kissy Skin Treats Rose Oil Blend. It has rose and pomegranate oils. That. And this is the inside. It has the little dropper that comes with it. And then here is the bottle. Nice and glass. So I'm probably not going to keep this one because my face is oily and I can't stand oils on my face. So this is full size and it retails for $24. And Kathleen Suiko, assistant beauty editor, says this oil has quickly become one of my favorite multitasking products. It's made up of hydrating oils, sweet almond, orange peel, pomegranate seed, jojoba, and its namesake, rose geranium oil. For the record, I'm not the biggest fan of how rose smells, but here the flowery scent is subtle and soothing. When I apply this oil as the last step of my nighttime skincare routine, the floral scent reminds me that it's time to relax and helps me wind down. The formula absorbs instantly, and I don't have to worry about waking up with oil stains on my sheets. For mornings when my skin could use a glowy boost, I add 2 drops to my moisturizer or foundation. You can use it to sheer out full coverage makeup or press some on cheekbones for a dewy finish. And the cute mint green bottle and gold dropper get this product bonus points. Next is H2O Plus Hydration Sensitive Gel Cream Moisturizer. I'll probably like this because I like gel moisturizers, but there is that. And find it here. Okay, here it is. Now, the full size of this retails for $42, and Devin Abelman, beauty editor, says, chamomile tea has been my drink of choice lately. I'll take any source of calm I can get. Using this moisturizer is like pouring a cup for my stressed out skin. Not only has my oily skin been breaking out more than usual, but I've also been experimenting with acid toners and at-home peels that sometimes leave my face feeling sunburned. Slathering on this H2O Plus moisturizer is the ultimate remedy. The petal pink goo is spiked with chamomile to quell redness and irritation, and the formula also features calming hyssop and hydrating squalene. It's oil-free, but still has a rich thickness that offers immediate relief. And the full size is 50 ml, and this is 10 ml. Next thing I am pulling out is from Sulwhasoo. It's activating serum. Here it is. And here is the cute little bottle. Now, this says the full size is $84, and Gabriella Thorne, editorial assistant, says, when I started getting serious about skincare, I expanded my then 3-step routine that didn't include sunscreen, yikes, to 9 steps, including 2 serums. I'm used to seeing hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, or alpha hydroxy acids in most serums, but this Solwasu formula has a blend of 5 Korean herbs: peony, lotus, Rimenia, Solomon's seal, and white lily. The ingredients work together to hydrate, brighten, and firm the skin. I'm in my early 20s, so there's not much to firm, but anything with hydration and brightening ingredients is great for my dehydrated and hyperpigmented skin. I use this serum after cleansing and toning, and it gives me a subtle glow that I love. Next is an item from Wish, and it's a botanical primer with bakachuli. I don't know. That's what it looks like. And the full price is $44, and the full size is 2 fluid ounce, and this is 0.75 fluid ounces. But anyways, the full size is $44. And Kaylee, I'm not sure, Fasanella, Nelly, contributing writer, says, right off the bat, I knew this primer was different because in addition to argan oil and aloe, it contains bakachul, a gentle, natural alternative to retinol. On the day that I decided to give it a test drive, my skin was looking especially dry, but a few minutes after applying this creamy primer, my dry spots were smooth. The blurring formula faded the red blotches on my chin and cheeks, and my pores, even the large ones around my nose, had all but disappeared. Ultimately, this primer makes it so you need less makeup. Most days, though, I've been wearing it on its own as an extra layer of moisture that hides any imperfections. Sorry if the camera starts to move. Tigger decided to come over here, and Loki and Baby are behind here, and he's trying to join them. So, might move. Next thing here is from Erno Lazo, and it is a Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar, and the full size goes for $38. I hope this isn't the full size, but I've been told that Erno Laszlo is expensive, so might be the full size. I don't see any ounces or whatnot on the packaging for here, like I did for the Wish. But anyways, Britton Kilbane, senior writer, says, Adam and Eve were given every pleasure in the world and still want it more, so I suppose it is in our DNA not to fully appreciate perfectly good things. The Humble Bar Soap is a great invention, yet we wanted to face washes foamier, creamier, and fancier. Well, not we, as in you and me. I have always loved and used Erno Laszlo's solid face wash bars, which recently relaunched with a sustainable all-paper packaging. The Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar, the brand's most classic product, emulsifies into an inky liquid that gently rids my face of the grime it collects during a long day of typing words into the internet. After I rinse, my skin has gotten a thorough cleanse, and I can feel the wind in my pores. second to last thing I'm pulling out is from Floss. It's Brighten Up Highlighter in Sunlit. This is what it looks like. Now, this says the full price is $20, and I'm assuming this is the full price. And Nicola Dallison, staff writer, says, I like to look shimmery, but not like I glued glitter directly onto my face. And that's exactly the effect this pressed powder highlighter creates. To apply, use a pointed, fluffy brush that I use a pointed, fluffy brush that I swirl into the pan before sweeping across my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, and on my cupid's bow. One pass delivers a barely there glow that's perfect for daily wear, and I just repeat the process for a highlight with this slightly more impact. Sunlit, shown here, looks like champagne at first glance, but it transforms into a subtle gold on the skin. Swatch it. Feels nice. And that's what it looks like. Very pretty. Put some on my face now since I only put eyeshadow and lipstick on. I know this says this is a pressed powder highlighter, but it feels more like a cream and picks up on my brush more like a cream. But let's see that it's not like a normal powder picks up on my brush. It's like stuck on there. But anyways, it is nice. And the last thing that I am pulling out, if I can get it out from here, is this sheet mask. And this is Looks in May Brightening Lift Up Perfect Fit Mask. And it's $3 for one. And Kara McGrath, digital deputy editor, says, one of my major skincare projects during the isolation period has been working through my huge collection of sheet masks. Looks in May is a K-beauty brand that recently launched in the US, and the illustrated packaging is what made it stand out of the pile. The mask is made of a super stretchy material that keeps it from sliding. It's also soaked in a serum that contains niacinamide and vitamin C to brighten, and a bunch of floral and plant extracts, which I assume give the mask its fresh scent. After one use, my skin looked incredibly glowy and a little bit brighter. So that is everything that was in my August 2020 Allure box. Again, there is the Pixie Rose Oil, the H2O Plus Gel Cream Moisturizer, the Solasu serum, the face mask, the Ernal Laszlo Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar, the Wish Primer, and the Floss Highlighter. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.